and anchor of this program. Welcome to our musical night. To get started our program, I am seeking permission of our Honorable President. Please. Thank you so much for giving your kind permission. Dear distinguished participants, first of all, here is modern song, and I welcome Miss Anija to present us a modern song. Please, Miss Anija, come on.
Sorry, actually I brought a conclusive one. I shall present to you next time. Please pardon me.
Thank you so much for giving your promise. Dear distinguished participants, this is the last part of our program. Before concluding our program, I would love to express my profound gratitude upon you for your kind participation. Please pardon me. Hope to see you later. Have a good time. Bye.